In this video, you'll learn how to view all databases in Notion. This process will guide you through creating and accessing databases effectively within your workspace. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL notion.so. Once the page loads, you may be prompted to sign in. If you are not already logged into your account, enter your credentials to proceed. After successfully signing in, you will see your Notion dashboard, which is the central hub for all your pages and databases. Next, locate the option to add a new page. On the left sidebar, you will find a button labeled Add a New Page. Click on this button to create a new page. A blank page will appear in the main viewing area. This is where you can begin setting up your database. After that, click on the title area of the new page. This area is typically located at the top of the page and will prompt you to enter a title for your new page. Type in a relevant title that reflects the content of the database you intend to create. This step is crucial for organizing your workspace effectively. Following this, click on any blank space on the page. This action ensures that your title is saved and allows you to move on to the next step without any interruptions. You should now see your title displayed at the top of the page. Now type in /database in the blank space. As you type, Notion will provide you with options to select from. This command is used to insert a database into your page. Ensure that you see the suggestions appear as you type. Once you see the suggestions, click on Databases Inline. This option will embed the database directly within your page, allowing you to view and interact with it seamlessly. A new database block will now be created within your page. Next, type the name of the database you want to create or link to. For example, if you are integrating it into an existing project, type in the name of that project. This helps in maintaining clarity and organization within your workspace. Afterward, navigate to the project section. This section is usually found in your sidebar or within your workspace. Click on projects to access the relevant project area where you want to add the database. Then click on any blank space within the projects page. This action prepares the page for the next database insertion. Now type in /database again in the blank space. As before, suggestions will appear. This indicates that Notion is ready for you to create another database block. Once you see the suggestions, click on Database Inline again. This will create another inline database within the projects page, allowing for easy access and management. Next, type the name of an existing database, such as Task Tracker. This step links your new database to existing data and enhancing your project management capabilities. After this, click on New Database. This option allows you to create a new entry or link to an existing database. Ensure that you have the correct database type selected for your needs. Finally, click on Tasks Tracker to finalize the integration. This action links your new inline database to the existing Task Tracker, enabling you to manage tasks effectively within your project framework. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon